I know.
That's what you do,
You think I'm still looking for him?
You make the world see things.
As far as we can see, at least half the population's been wiped out. Probably more. You've been behind these walls this entire time.
People, they need you.
I'm Rick Grimes. I was a deputy in the King County Sheriff's Department.
We have to give up our guns, all of them.
I'm here to make a proposal.
Open that door now.
Son of a bitch.
Time to move on.
Haven't walked up to it yet.
This is the only way to be sure. Assured as we can get that we win. And we have to win. We don't shy from it. We live.
No one ever thinks that they're the evil one.
With his life, his possibility.
They would have killed someone, or some of us. And then they would try to own us.
That's death! And it's coming for us! Unless we stand together!